Alright, what's up guys? Alright, so as you can tell, today we're going to be installing the front lip on the Audi S5. So this is from ECS Tuning. It's a full carbon fiber front lip. I believe it's like $500 to $600. I'll put the link down below so y'all can look at it if you guys do like how it ends up looking. But let me go ahead and install it on my B8.5. So this lip, if it looks familiar, if you watched my videos before, used to be on my Audi A5. It was meant for an S5, but I had it on my A5 with a little bit of gap. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how good it fits on this car, which is meant for, so I'm pretty sure it's gonna fit really good. I like this front lip a lot. Never sold it. It's super expensive to get, so I am like very glad I have it. It's full carbon fiber, and it's actually like really sturdy. Like, I think it's like sturdy as fuck. It's scraped at the bottom, but it's never broken. Plastic lips from that I had before break all the time, so that's why I kept this one, and that's why I bought this one, and I love it. So let me go ahead and get it installed in the car, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Well, I'll show you the process, I guess. First things first, you're gonna want to jack up the car so you can have enough space to go in there and put screws and all that. So let me go ahead and get started by jacking up the car. All right, guys. So first step after you jack up the front of the car, it doesn't have to be crazy off the ground. Is clean your front lip and below the car, just so you can go ahead and apply your double-sided tape. I believe when I first bought this front lip, it came with double-sided tape on it already. Don't correct me, but I would just buy some extra just in case. It always comes in handy anyways. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a line right here, a line right here. So it's gonna be 2 on each, and it just makes it easier. So whenever you put in the screws, it's already hanging on there, and it's just a little bit more durability if something were to ever happen. All right, so before you install anything, you do have to remove 2 bolts, because this front lip does come with like 2 little brackets on there. So let me show you. So one bolt is right here on the edge. It's the very first one, so second I guess. And then down here is another one. So right below the fog light, go down, and there'll be one right there. So remove those 2 bolts because that's where that bracket goes. Alright, so and next what I use, if you have supports or something, I have these like old jack stands that I don't use on cars. I just use them for stuff like this, and pretty much make sure it supports up there. Mine's already like good, like it goes all the way back, can't go further anymore. So yeah, already just mocked up. This thing looks good. So yeah, and it fits so nice too. So let's go ahead and start putting holes. Well, actually, let's put those little 2 screws on each side first, and then we'll go from there. All right, guys. So I got it installed. All screws in there. I used 1.5 inch screws on the holes, just because inch isn't enough. Well, I feel like it's not enough. Yeah, I didn't poke anything in there. I made sure everything was clear. But I got those 2 bolts on there, double-sided tape, and there's 3 screws on this side, 3 screws on that side. So this thing, it's not going anywhere. It looks pretty clean. Let me put it on the ground so y'all can see what it looks like installed. Alright guys, so the front lip is installed. It definitely makes the car look lower. Right now it's sitting a little weird just because I just dropped it, so it needs to settle a little bit lower. But dude, that thing looks so good. I will be doing the grill soon, so trust me, everything will play together, piece by piece, guys. But little by little, this thing's gonna be looking badass. So just trust me, I know what I'm doing with this car. So dang, I love the carbon on this thing. It's a little bit dirty, but I just gotta go ahead and polish it. Man, I think it looks nice. Alright guys, so I think this is a super easy video. It's probably not even gonna be like a lot of minutes, but I wanted to get to the point and show you guys a front lip that I personally would pick over anything on this car. There's a whole bunch out there, but personally for me, this is the best one. A lot sturdy, and also if you're like you go on bumps or hit it, I have never broken this, and there's a whole bunch of scratches on the bottom. But yeah guys, until next time, peace. I hope you guys are excited about the content coming for this. If you are, like and subscribe. Put your thoughts down below, what I should do with the vehicle next. Alright guys, till next time, peace.